she gonna do? You see, you have to know, ask me more questions, right? Well, that's good. You can be anything you want to be, all right? You just have to work hard in school, be a good student, all right? All right, take care. Read those books and bring them back in good condition.
Yes, miss. So, Miss, what I said I must come back for the same.
Come back here around 5 o'clock.
Okay.
Things are a little crazy now, but yes.
Alright, so let me know what you get. How do you feel about what you got?
I feel so good. I get back from my big sister, my 2 kids, and my little niece.
Alright.
Thank you very
And
much.
this is the team. They came all the way from the U.S.
Thank you guys very much.
Felicia, you know, she did the birthday cards. And we just want to let you all know that we love you.
We love you too. And thank you for the good work that you are doing.
All right, thank you.
And I hope you will keep it up.
Yes, with the help of God.
Yeah.
All right, thank you.
guys.
Yes, thank you. Take it big. You know what I told you. All right, good. All right.